Okay, I'm finally going to paint this cabinet today. I got some black chalk paint. Stopped at Lowe's, picked up an extra one to make sure I have enough. I'm going to try to leave the top part here brown, then paint everything else black and see how it's going to work out. I'm not in the mood to sand it down. I just want to slap some paint on it. So it may not turn out to be the best, but we're going to give it a shot. This is my little hole for my cord for my lamp. But I think that's what I'm going to do and just kind of do the outside of it. I'm not going to paint in here like I'm not taking that stuff out and painting in there. That's not going to happen. So let's do this.
I hoped we were gonna make it. He promised we would find the time, dreaming for eternity, creating perfect memories. Yeah, we hoped we were gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way. Bigger than they'd say. Now looking at you keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes along the roads in Tennessee. Dreaming of what we could be from the back of your dad's red truck. No one thought I was gonna make it. No one believed I'd take the time for realizing my own dreams and taking care of you and me. Yeah, I knew we were always gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way. Bigger than they'd say. Now looking at you keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love.
Okay, I've got 2 coats of paint on it. I'm going to let it dry for a little while and go watch Young and the Restless or something. And then I think I'm going to, once it dries, I'll go over everything, make sure it's covered good. And then I will probably like put the knob back on and maybe like go in these little holes with a little brush or something. I'm going to let this dry for the next couple hours. We do have a ball game tonight to go to. So this, I may finish this tomorrow and just let it dry overnight. But oh my gosh, I'm loving it. I hope when I take that off that brown pops. I'm really hoping. And then of course I still have to do those, but I think I'll do those tomorrow too.
dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know?
Okay guys, the shelf is done. I am in love with this shelf. Oh my gosh. I've had it for 20 years or more, and I got to the point to where I absolutely hated it and was going to get rid of it. And I threw some chalk paint on it, and oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I left this just the regular color of the shelf, just to kind of give it a little bit of texture type to it. It's just, I don't know, I love it. So we have the dog treats because she's spoiled, plain and simple. I went ahead and painted the shelves black so that anything that I put on them would pop. I'm in love. I'm seriously in love. I still have the little hole back there because that's how I run my cord for my lamp. It's been there for many years. I did make a nick or two, which I can fix with a Q-tip and some chalk paint. No problemo. But I brought back here some of my pictures, a couple cutting boards, some tin cans, some baskets. I just wanted texture. I wanted things to pop, because when the cabinet was all this color, none of this stuff popped, you know. So now, look at this. It pops. It's gorgeous. I love it so much. So much. I need to figure out what to do with that ladder. But yes, this is my cabinet. It is done. It is painted. Gorgeous. Love it. Love it. Love it. So you guys, that is it. That's everything that I have for you in this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button below. You are the first ones to know every time I post a new video. The videos are coming, you guys. We are just still going through all these after post side effects of COVID, and it's really takes a toll. So that's why you're not seeing me on camera. That's why you're not seeing a lot of videos out of me. But we're getting better. It's taking us some time. But you guys, I love you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will talk to y'all in the next video. Bye guys. Bye.